Now we are going to enter into the next chapter, accounting terminology. We have to know the meaning of the different terminology in account so that we can understand the accounting language. So first terminology is business transaction. What is business transaction? Business transaction is an economic activities which change in the result of some assets, liabilities or capital. Business transaction is an economic activities which change in the result of or change in the value of some assets, liabilities or capital. For instance, if the business purchase goods for cash, business purchase goods for cash. So when the business purchase goods for cash, the cash will be affected, cash will decrease. Suppose the business purchase goods for cash rupees 10,000 for rupees 10,000. So in business, the cash will goes out from the business minus 10, and on the same time stock of the goods in business will increase by 10,000. Both are assets, both cash and stock are the assets. So change in the value of one asset's cash is decreased by 10, whereas stock is increased by 10,000. Cash is decreased by 10,000 and stock is increased by 10,000. So business transaction is an economic activities which change in the value of assets, liability or capital of the business. So here when we purchase the goods for cash, so cash will goes out from the business, so cash will decrease by 10,000, and on the same time the 10,000 will be increased in stock. Both cash and stock of goods are assets. So one asset is decreased, another asset has increased. So change in the value of some assets or liability or capital of the business. There are certain features of business transaction. Number one, business transaction is an economic activities. It means we can express the amount in terms of money or money worth. It's an economic activities. It's not a non-economic activity. It's not a non-economic activities. It's an economic activities, means give and take. I'm giving something, then I'm on the same time I'm taking something. It's an economic activities. Business transactions, I'm showing you the features of business transaction. Number one, it's an economic activities. Second one, it result in the change in the value of some assets, liabilities or capital. So number one, it's an economic activities. Number two, it result in change in the value of some assets, liabilities or capital. This change must be capable of being expressed in terms of money. The change must be expressed in terms of money. For instance, over here minus 10,000 and plus 10,000. Express in terms of money. Okay. Fourth one, transaction may be classified, business transaction may be classified as external transactions and internal transaction. Transaction may be classified into two types, external and internal. What is external transaction? When the business transact with the outsider, with the another entity, another enterprise or another party or person outside the business, then it's an external transaction. Purchase of goods, It means business purchase goods from whom? Purchase goods from supplier. Supplier is the external entity, outsiders. So when the business transact with the outsiders, that transaction is called external transaction. At the same time, sale of goods. Business sold goods to a customer. Customer is external, outside the business. So it's an external transaction. When the business sold goods, either for cash or on credit, it's an external transaction. Business transact with the outsider. What is internal transaction? When the business transaction within the business, not with the outsider, inside the business. Transaction inside the business entity, inside it, not with the outsiders. Then that transaction, that business transaction is called internal business transaction. For instance, depreciation on any fixed assets. When the business charges depreciation on assets, so depreciation on assets is an internal transaction. The value of assets is decreased. Value of assets of whom? Value of assets of business is decreased, and there is one expenses is created. It's an internal transactions, not transact with the outsiders. So there are the two type of transactions. One transaction is called internal transaction, another is called external. When the business transact with the another party outside the business, maybe with the creditor, maybe with the your customer, maybe with the landlord. When the business pay rent to the landlord, landlord is the external party. So payment of rent, it means it's a transaction of business with the outsider. So it's an external transactions. And internal means the transaction which is within the business is called internal transaction. So first terminology is business transactions. Business transaction is an economic activities which result in the change in the value of some assets, liabilities or capital of the business. Second, business transaction must be expressed in terms of money. Third one, business transaction must be the result in a business, it result in change in the value of some assets or liability or capital. And fourth one, business transaction may be classified into two: external business transaction and internal business transaction. So business transaction is a very important, it's a give and take. When the business transact with the others, it's an external. Business is a separate entity. Business is a separate entity. Business entity is quite separate. Entity of the business is quite separate. Entity of the business is quite separate. It's a business. It's a business. And it's a separate entity. When the business transact with the outsiders, with the supplier of goods, when the business transaction with the customers, sale of goods on credit or for cash, business may transact with the government, outsiders, business transact with the employees, means payment of wages, payment of salary. It means business transact with the other employee, payment the wages to the employee. Employee is the external, not internal. Business is a separate entity, employee is the separate entity. Business separate, supplier separate entity, customer separate entity, government separate entity. These are the separate entity. Employee is the separate entity. Bank is the separate entity. Bank. Sometimes business take loan from the bank. So when the business take loan from the bank, it's an external transaction. Business transact with the bank. Business entity is quite separate. Bank entity is quite separate. Business entity is quite separate. Supplier entity is quite separate. They are the separate entity. Financial institution is the separate entity. Financial institution. Financial institution is a separate entity. Business take loan from the financial institutions. It's a separate entity. So business entity is quite separate. Another entity is owner is separate entity. Even the owner, entity of owner is separate from the business entity. Business entity is quite separate and owner's entity is quite separate. When the owner contribute the capital, introduce the capital or provide any capital to the business, it means business transaction is an external transaction. When the owner provide capital to the business, or you may say that the business take capital from the owner, it's an external transaction. Owner is also external, it is not internal, because entity of the business is quite separate. We give the name of the business, ABC Limited, XYZ Limited, Hindalco Limited, Reliance Limited. These are the separate entity. Business is quite separate from these stakeholders. Supplier entity is quite different, owner's entity is quite different, customers, financial institution, government, employee. Okay. So when the business transact with these body, these separate individuals, it's an external transaction. And when the business transact within the business, not with the outsider, within the business, then it is called internal transaction, internal business transactions. So is it clear what is business transaction? Business transaction is an economic activity. It's not a non-economic activity. It's an economic activities. Means whatever I am doing, it in return I will take money. If I am doing something, I will take money. If I am taking services from the others, then I will give the amount to those from whom I have taken any services or availed any services. So it's a economic activities. The employee working in a business, the employee giving his services in the business, in the company, in return the business or company gives the salary or wages to that employee. So it's an economic activities. They are not doing services or giving services free of cost. When any services is not free of cost, it means it's an economic activities. So business transaction is an economic activities. It must be expressed in terms of money. It's of two types: external business transaction, internal business transaction. And most important thing is that business transaction involve or change in the value of some assets, liabilities or capital. Okay, some assets, liability or capital. For instance, if the proprietor has given capital to the business, proprietor has given capital, given 1 lakh capital to the business, given 1 lakh capital as a capital. Now it's a business transaction, transact with the outsider, outsider is the owner. So capital will increase by 1 lakh and on the same time cash will also increase by 1 lakh, cash in the business. Capital increase by 1 lakh plus and cash increase by 1 lakh. Capital is the liability and cash is the assets. So there is a change in the capital, there is a change in the assets, under the assets changing cash. So it's a business transactions.